Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax? Whether you're a first-timer or a regular, this complete guide will walk you through everything you need to know from preparation to aftercare. Stay tuned. A Brazilian wax isn't just about hair removal, it's about confidence, hygiene, and a fresh, clean feeling. Many people find it enhances their comfort, particularly in warmer climates. Plus, it can boost intimacy and self-care. Before your waxing appointment, proper preparation is key. Here's what you need to know. Ensure. Avoid exfoliating or sunbathing for at least 48 hours before your session. Inform your wax technician about any medications or skin treatments you are using to prevent irritation. Wondering what happens during a Brazilian wax? Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Your technician will cleanse the area to remove any oils or lotions. They will apply either hard or soft wax. Each has unique benefits for different skin types. The wax is quickly removed, pulling out hair from the root, leaving the skin smooth. Post-wax care is essential to prevent irritation and maintain smooth skin. Here's what to do. Wear loose clothing to avoid friction. Keep the area clean and moisturized with fragrance-free products. Avoid hot baths, excessive sweating, and exfoliation for at least 48 hours. Prevent ingrown hairs by gently exfoliating after a few days. To keep your skin smooth, schedule regular waxing every 4 to 6 weeks. If you prefer at-home waxing kits, ensure they are dermatologist approved. Between sessions, trim excess hair and use gentle exfoliation techniques to avoid ingrown hairs. And there you have it, your complete guide to Brazilian waxing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more self-care tips. Thanks for watching.